how strong is your pouch seal. Let's go behind the scenes. So the first part is to check the correct standard as per which we will be conducting the test for the seal strength test for pouch. So we have for the ASTM F88 for flexible barrier materials. So we will see that how this test is being conducted, and we will see the sample preparation part, what is the length, width we need to take, and this is the length and width 25 mm, so that we have checked, and here it is written the speed of testing. Now we will be conducting our testing. Now we will be preparing the specimen from this sample. So after looking the standard ASTM F88, we will make a 76 mm gauge length of the specimen after sealing, and width will be 25 mm, so that we have to maintain. This is how sample will be prepared. Correct alignment of the sample in grippers is very important. Casualty in alignment may leads to inconsistent result. So it is very important that we align the sample's center of the grippers, and it should be equivalently on the upper gripper and the lower gripper. Otherwise, your test will give inaccurate results, and the correct stress will not be applied on the sample. So in the standard, the speed was set 200 to 300 mm per minute. So I will be setting 300 mm per minute and will conduct the test. So now everything is done and we have chosen the things properly. Now we will conduct our test. So hello everyone, we will be discussing about the seal strength test for pouches.